A warm welcome to all. So today we can move on to the last family of monocotyledonate, that is our liliaceae. Okay. So liliaceae is commonly known as lily family. This lily family, its systematic position is monocotyledonate and the series Coronariae family liliaceae. Okay. So this is a very common family, and also the plants are also very common to you. And how it is distributed, usually it is widely distributed in the northern hemisphere region and also in the temperate regions, and this family is included about 15 genera and 640 species. And about the habit of the family, they are perennial herbs. Why it is known as perennial herbs? Because the stem is underground, that is usually a bulb like our onion, and it produces adventitious roots, and that is survived under the soil, and when they get favorable condition it will starts growing. That's why it is known as a perennial herb. Look, this is the common onion, and you can see the bulb in the underground. So this is the edible part of this plant also. And this is another one, garlic, that also belongs to this family. You can see it having also the bulb-like structure. Okay. Now, looking into the leaves are basal, or they are alternate and walled arrangement. And they usually having a strap-shaped structure, a long, linear, strap-shaped structure like this. And they are simple and with the venation, that parallel venation. That's why monocot, and stipules are absent. So strap-shaped, linear with a parallel venation. And there's an exceptional cases like two plants. One is gloriosa and another one is smilax. That you have to remember in this case. In gloriosa, the leaf tip is modified into tendril, and the smilax, it is having reticulate venation. See, look into this picture. This picture shows the picture of gloriosa. So the tip of the leaf, that is modified into tendril. You know what is tendril? It's a small structure that help to climb in the supporting system. And this leaf tip is modified into tendril. In the case of gloriosa, this plant is common to in our area. In Malayalam, it is known as Mendoni. And this is the plant, namely smilax. Look in this plant having the venation different from the normal parallel venation. This plant is also very common to our area. Clear? Now, this is the another plant that are also having a speciality in the leaf, pinnately compound leaves, that is known as asparagus, that is Shadavari. Clear? Now, about the inflorescence. Inflorescence are usually racemose, and see the inflorescence, and they are also sometimes they may be solitary or umbellate, subumbellate. Daffodils example, and tulip is an example for solitary flowers, and racemose condition is a very common one. Okay. Then looking into the flowers are showy and bisexual, large bisexual flowers. They are actinomorphic. What do you mean by actinomorphic? You can cut into two equal, half at any plane, and very rarely some having a zygomorphic condition. And they are trimerous in 3+3 condition, and hypogynous. So very, very important point, hypogyny and actinomorphy. Clear? While you studied Singiberaceae, you know that is zygomorphic condition. Here it is actinomorphic and hypogynous condition. See the flowers of liliaceae. See, this is the second one is the flower of, this is the flower of our common, that flower of gloriosa. See how the petals are organized, and this is the flower of liliaceae. Clear? And now looking into the perianth. Perianth, why it is known as perianth? Because there is no differentiation. That is monocot, sepals and petals not there, that is tepal. So it is arranged in two whorls, outer representing sepal and inner petals. See, condition very clearly arranged, colorful structures, 6 Sometimes this usually it is 3+3 condition. 6, you can see in this picture arranged 6 tepals, and both whorls are petaloid. That is very important. What is, both whorls are colored. See, both whorls are colored with lines, markings. And this is the another liliaceae member. Most of them are ornamental, colorful plants, and sometimes united into, often they are united into a tube. At the base you can see a tube. See, the tube is clear here at the base, and 3+3, 6 arrangement. These plants are very common to your gardens, and that all that tepals are colored, that is petaloid. That's very important point. Okay. And nectar is present at the base of the tepal. So base of the tepal means inside this region you can see the nectary. And now we can look into the androecium. So androecium is the male reproductive part. So here it is 6 stamens arranged in 2 whorls. Everything here it is typical monocot condition, that is 6 stamens in 2 whorls, that is 3+3 condition, and epiphyllous attached on the tepals, and filaments are free. See how the stamens, you can see the stamens, 6 stamens with the free filaments attached on the petals. See here again 6 stamens, and that's very simple typical condition, nothing. But in the case of Syngiberraceae there are many complications, arrangement, fertile anther very few, all are staminodes, but here nothing like that. Everything all are fertile and in 2 whorls, 6 stamens, and they are with the free filaments attached on the tepals. Looking into the gynoecium with the 3 carpel, tricarpellary, united, and that is syncarpous with trilocular many ovules, okay, and axial placentation. Simple style with the 3-lobed stigma. So this is the condition. See, you can see here simple style, 3-lobed stigma, and also that tricarpellary, trilocular, axial placentation. It's a very typical condition. And fruit is a capsule, usually a loculicidal capsule. In some cases berry also present, and small embryo with endosperm present, and pollination is by insects. Seed dispersal by water or wind. They are all typical feature, nothing in that. Capsule is a common one. Clear? Now, so in brief I can tell you that plants having that trimerous condition, actinomorphic, hypomorphous condition with 6 tepals, petaloid, androecium with 6 stamens in 2 whorls, epiphyllous condition, filaments free, and gynoecium tricarpellary, trilocular, axial placentation. Clear? Okay. Now just look into the economic importance. So I already told you most of the plants are ornamentals. See, these are our common plants, ornamental plants: lily, lilium, tulip, tulipa, fritillaria, fritillary. They are the common names. Usually we are calling them. And asparagus, there are medicinal as well as there are ornamentals also. Then yucca. So this is the tulip plant, this is the asparagus, this is the yucca plant, and this is the gloriosa plant. Clear? Look into the edible plants. You can see allium cepa. Allium cepa is the onion, and allium sativa is the garlic. Then asparagus officinalis, that is its fleshy shoots are edible, and asparagus racemose also tuberous roots are vegetables. That is usually using in some of the areas that edible portions. Then this, look into this first one. This is the garlic, allium sativum, and this is the onion, allium cepa, and see that, sorry, this is also allium cepa, that is onion, and this is the allium sativum, garlic. All these are its bulbs are the consumable parts, that is edible part. And this is the asparagus roots, tuberous roots of asparagus. Clear? So these are the edible plants. Now look into the medicinal plants. Aloe vera. You know aloe vera is very common to you. Katarvara. It's mucilage liquid using from the its leaf part. They are used for piles and inflammations and hair growth. At everything you know its uses. Its gel is available in the market. Aloe vera gel, aloe gel, aloe face wash, aloe hand wash, everything available. And they are the roots are also used for skin diseases, rheumatism. Overall the plant is highly medicinal. And another one is Gloriosa supraba. used for gynec related problems. This is a glorioca medicine available in the market. Then smilax is a highly used for heart diseases. That's also available. Then onion garlic, onion garlic paste, onion garlic combinations. It's coffee, it's juice, everything are highly medicinal. So in our daily life we are using it for throat infections, our stomachic problems, that is gastric problems, then cold and everything. We use this onion and garlic. They are highly medicinal in our day-to-day life. Okay, and so many medicines are available in market related to onion and garlic. Then resins are available from the plant Dracena. Dracena available in different colors, colored leaves in our garden. So its fibers are available from yucca and smilax. This is a yucca plant and this is a smilax plant. Its fibers are useful. Another very important application is use of the chemical colchicine. Colchicine is a chemical available from Colchicum luteum. This is used for inducing polyploidy. What do you mean by polyploidy? So the condition of without any in the mitotic division, mitosis and meiosis you studied. So you can prevent the formation of spindle fiber. So then what happens is the separation of in anaphase, separation, division and separation never happens. So a polyploidic condition exists. So this polyploidy is a well-known application in cytology. So you can induce polyploidy by arresting the fibers, the action of spindle fiber, by when you using that chemical colchicine. That chemical colchicine available from the plant Colchicum luteum. So that belongs to liliaceae. So that's also very important application of the plant. So in brief, you can see the herbaceous plant and with flowers not having bracts, flower bisexual, trimerous, perianther 6 tepal, stamen 6, carpels 3, placentation axil, fruit capsule, and some economically important plants. So remember the plants: aloe vera, gloriosa, smilax, tulip, then our common lily, etc. Okay, so we can this plant is this family is of very important family. So try to familiarize almost all the ornamental and economically and medicinally important plants and study well. So I hope you understood well. So have a nice day. Thank you very much.